Stop, don't hire a roofing contractor until you hear this. North Texas has over 7,000 roofers. What you may not know is the state of Texas has no regulatory standard about who can hop on your roof. We've heard horror stories about roofers taking customers' money and not finishing repairs, and homeowners being ghosted by their contractors. Well, here's what you need to know. There's a lot more to roofing than sales, and many roofing contractors focus on just that piece, getting the sale, getting you to say yes, but then what? Do they have a process to support your project? Do they have a full-time support staff to service your contract? Do they take time to empower you to make informed decisions? Or just selling you, leaving you with disappointment? When you take time to look under the hood, you will find that not all contractors are equal. High Performance installs upgraded, high quality, high impact rated roofing systems that can weather most storms. And we warranty our work. We position you for insurance discounts, tax credits, complimentary upgrades, and peace of mind. With our best value guarantee, the trusted name in North Texas, discover why we are High Performance. Click the button below to receive free upgrades that other roofers charge extra for.